Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Honda Civic tail light bulb using an easy method. First, make sure your car is off and the parking brake is on for safety. You'll need a new bulb and a Phillips head screwdriver. Open your trunk to get to the back of the tail light assembly. This simple preparation makes the whole process much smoother and quicker. Now, look inside the trunk for the 2 or 3 screws that hold the tail light assembly in place. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove them. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back from the car. It might feel a little snug, but it will come free with a steady pull. With the assembly out, you'll see the bulb sockets. Choose the one for the tail light and twist it counterclockwise to release it. Then, simply pull the old bulb straight out. Be careful not to touch the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its life. Push the new bulb firmly into the socket until it's secure. Now, reinsert the bulb socket into the tail light assembly and twist it clockwise to lock it in place. Carefully align the entire tail light assembly back into its opening on the car. Reinstall the 2 or 3 retaining screws you removed earlier. Finally, turn on your car and test the new tail light to ensure it's working correctly. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.